Unicode features. Today, Unicode is universally accepted character encoding standard. So, Unicode has become popular nowadays. So, it is so because first, it provides a consistent way of encoding multilingual plain text. This enables data transfer through different systems without the risk of corruption. So, without corruption, it is transferring data throughout different systems. Second, it defines code for characters used in all major languages of the world used for written communication. This enables a single software product to target multiple platforms, languages, and countries without re engineering. Third, it also defines codes for special characters, such as various types of punctuation marks, mathematical symbols, technical symbols, and diacritics. Diacritics are modifying characters such as title that are used in conjunction with base characters to represent accented letters indicating different sounds. So basically, they can be used for designing special characters. Fourth, it has capacity to re-encode as many as million characters. This is large enough for encoding all known characters, including all historic scripts of world as well as common notational systems. Fifth, it assigns each character a unique numeric value and name keeping character coding simple and efficient. So it is assigning each character a unique numerical value. Sixth is it reverses a part of code space for private use and enable users to assign codes for their own characters and symbols. Now seventh, it affords simplicity and consistency of ASCII code. Unicode characters that correspond to a familiar ASCII character set have the same byte values as that of ASCII. This enables use of Unicode in a convenient and backward compatible manner in environments designed entirely around ASCII like Unix. Eighth, it specifies an algorithm for presentation of text with bidirectional behavior. For example, it can deal with text containing a mixture of English, which uses left to right scripts, and Arabic, which uses right to left scripts. As mentioned earlier, Unicode has a lot of room to accommodate new characters. Moreover, its growth process is strictly additive in the sense that new characters can be added easily, but existing characters cannot be removed. So these are basically some features of Unicode format. So Unicode format was easier than ASCII format.